Good morning, children. Today we will be deriving the integrated rate equation for first order reaction and half-life period for first order reaction. Here is let us consider the reaction A gives products. We know that reaction rate is equal to minus del A by del T is equal to K into molar concentration of A to the power 1. Since the reaction is of first order, to the power 1 remains the same only. Or del A minus del A by A is equal to K into del T, where K is your rate constant and molar concentration of A is the concentration of A at time t. On integrating this equation, we get this form. Now this can be converted into natural log. So minus natural log A is equal to K into T plus I, where I is constant of integration. When T is equal to 0, time is 0, then molar concentration of A is equal to the initial molar concentration of A, that is A naught. So minus natural log A naught in place of A naught is equal to K into, what is the time here? 0. K into 0 plus I. It becomes minus natural log A naught is equal to I. Substituting the value of I in equation 1, this is your equation 1, we get natural log A is equal to KT minus natural log A naught, or natural log A naught minus natural log A is equal to KT. Then natural log A naught by A is equal to KT. Since log A minus log B is equal to log A by B, so it is written like this, or it will be your K is equal to 1 by T into natural log A naught by A, or K is equal to 1 by T into 2.303 log to the base 10 of A naught by A. Since natural log X is equal to 2.303 log to the base 10 X, so now it becomes K is equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. This equation is called integrated rate equation for first order reaction. Now let us go for half-life period of first order reaction. The half-life period for first order reaction. The integrated rate equation for first order reaction is this one only. K is equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. When time is equal to T half, then according to the definition of half-life period already discussed while deriving for zero order reaction, molar concentration of A is equal to A naught by 2. Substitute this value in this equation, then make T as the subject. So T half is equal to 2.303 by K into log A naught by A naught by 2. Log A, concentration of A is equal to concentration of A naught by 2. So T half is equal to 2.303 by K into log A naught by A naught by 2. So this gets cancelled. So it will be your 2.303 into by K into log 2. Or this will be equal to log 2.303 by K, and the value of log 2 is your 0.3010 from the log table. Now T half is equal to 2.303 into 0.3010 will become 0.693. Now this is your K. So this is the equation for half-life period for first order reaction. In the next class, we will be discussing the numericals on zero order as well as first order reaction. Thank you.